So I thought that the TED Talk was really interesting and the speaker made a lot of great and valid points. I think sometimes we all kind of fail to remember that we currently do have those five different generations in the workplace. So that means five different generational perspectives, views, opinions, insights, a different knowledge base, etc. And although it can cause conflict and misunderstandings and miscommunication sometimes, I think the first thing everyone really needs to do is accept and welcome the fact that there will be employees who may be much younger than you or much older than you, but we need to really um, welcome and accept the fact that they may work differently. So, for example, I am one of the youngest employees at the firm I work for, and I have a very different way of communicating with other employees sometimes. I am more likely to send either a quick Skype chat or an email rather than calling them or showing up to their office. And I feel like sometimes some of the employees take that the wrong way or they think that I'm being rude. And they would just rather have me come to their office and talk face to face so they have that physical human interaction. The fact that we work differently or communicate differently doesn't mean that the way they go about things or the way I go about things or handle different situations or have prior life experiences and my knowledge and insights are wrong. It just means that it's different. So, with that being said, just like the speaker mentioned, age diverse teams are known to be much more effective and successful. So, once we get past these generational borders, I think companies will gain a much more competitive advantage. And it really will benefit everyone. It'll benefit the company and the employees. So, we really need to move past all of this so that everyone can feel comfortable with sharing their different insights and wisdom. Another thing the speaker mentioned was that different generations in the workplace don't always trust each other enough to share their wisdom. And I think that this is a super valid point, and many employees may be judging each other on the different ways that they handle things or go about things and their different thoughts and ideas and opinions. However, if we do what the speaker says as to turning that judgment into curiosity, I think that individuals will gain so much more knowledge and experience in things that, they may never have even thought of or expected to learn about. And that only makes an individual a stronger and much more developed employee in the end. I think that so many successful companies have employees whose age ranges. However, as mentioned in the TED Talk, these employees are not able to, I guess you can say, intern and learn, but also mentor others. And personally, in my opinion, I think it's easier and much more effective to learn from a colleague instead of a trainer, since that you are learning from someone who has actually had different experiences in relation to that topic and in that exact field. So, in addition, having someone who's able to teach you and mentor you in different skills also helps bring such more variety to a job. A lot of companies now offer cross training opportunities to their employees so that not only the company is benefiting, but so is the employee by developing a greater knowledge base. And in my eyes, when both the employee and the company can benefit, then everyone wins in the end.